In this video, I'm gonna talk about ways to get free gift card. Free gift card means you can't just go to website and get a gift card. You have to do a micro task in order to get the gift card. You can redeem the gift card on Amazon website, and you can buy things from even though you don't buy anything from Amazon, the gift card balance will accumulate to large amount. You can spend it on bigger product like buying a camera or TV. So this first website I'm gonna talk about is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Everyone knows is MTurk. Yes, the payout is very less, but imagine here you have to do a micro task. Last week I did a micro task on filling out and digitalizing a receipt for the company, because they spent it on the certain things. Over 1,000 received. I had to write what the product they bought and how much they buy it. So you had to fill each receipt pay you at least a penny. So if you do a more micro task, it will accumulate into larger amount of, and then you can pay it in Amazon gift card. Again, Amazon belong to the Amazon family, so you can easily transfer the gift card points to the Amazon website. Then we have instaGC. I made a video in the past, you can go and check it out. I'll put the link in the bottom. Detailed review. Basically it is an review site and service site. You complete the survey, watch videos and shopping online and searching on the web. Again, they paid around 1.3 million gift card redeemed worldwide, so you can go and join. There's no it's available worldwide. There's no limitation, guys. Just join, watch videos and do survey in your free time, and you can get paid in gift card. They already have a 340 plus gift card range, so you can, even though you're living outside UK, USA, you can use the site to redeem, do the survey and redeem your points into gift card. The third one is called American Consumer Opinion. This site is perfect if you are lucky, because each survey pay you at least $50. But number of tasks available in this site is very common, less common actually, because in a year they put around 10 to 15 surveys. But if you are lucky enough, if you can do at least one every single month, and you get paid at least $50 per survey. There's a fourth one is called iPoll.com. iPoll.com basically again is like a survey site. You can download the iPoll app on Android and Apple Store, where you can do the survey on the go when you have a free time. They ask basically how does it work. iPoll is an online and mobile community where you uniquely perspective is again answering questions about the product and the service you use and place you visit every day. It allow you to have access to our creative reward catalog. Also, you need to enable GPS location in your phone. So if you visit a shopping center, they ask a question about the store, you like the product from them or something like that, you get paid. I used to do that in the past, and now I don't do that. But before they don't do PayPal, and now they do the PayPal giveaway, so you can transfer the money to PayPal, but you can also transfer the rewards using your gift card. Fifth website is called infoxpound.co.uk or infoxpound.com if you are living USA. Sorry, if you are living in Canada, Australia, the domain name changes, but it's the first part is same, infoxpound or infox in USA, and it will change for different country. You can go and type it in Google, it will open up for each of the country. Basically what this site do, when you sign up, they paid £1 for UK and $5 for USA. Again, in this site is number of tasks you do is higher. You can answer the survey, watch video, play video games, and on top of that you can search it. You can use it as a search engine. If you search something on the site and you paid pennies, actually that's not big money, but when you do it every single day, if the points will add up and you can pay, you can withdraw the money. They don't do PayPal, but they do bank transfer and the gift card. I don't recommend bank transfer because it is not safe to put the bank detail in some site, but I recommend you use a gift card to withdraw that money. It's a This is the what I call is Amazon TradeIn. It is the best place to get a gift card, also you to buy a new device. Basically what you can do, if you have Amazon devices like Echo, or you have a Kindle, you can trade in to get a new, you can trade in to get upgrade version. You need to pay a small amount of money because you're trading your old devices. But even though you can trade in a non Amazon item, basically you can trade in video games, cell phones and books, wireless headphones, wireless devices. If you can go and find out more, you can type out what product you have. If they are accepting that product, you can trade in and you can pay it in gift card, or you can get upgrade versions of the product. The seventh website is called LifePoints. I already made a review on that on this channels. You can go check it out with the link below. It's again it's like a savings site. You get paid to do the surveys, and there's a different payout. You have a $5, you have a 10, 15 and a 20. In order to get payout, you need to do the surveys and get points. When you get those points add up to the redeemable amount, you can withdraw that. But basically in LifePoints also they do PayPal and the gift card. If you want to spend it on Amazon, you can get a gift card. If you do gift card, the number of days, the payout day is very short. Basically, if you click the PayPal option, it will take at least 3 to 5 working days. But if in a gift card, at least I think it's 1 working day or something like that, and you get paid using that. Or if you don't want the gift card, you can use the PayPal withdrawal option and you get paid in PayPal within 5 working days. The final one is Coursewrap. That is, everyone knows, I have made videos in the past. You can go and check it out. Again, it's like a service and you collect SP points, like a swap back points, and you can add up the points to withdraw it. If you download the app, you can do more with that. You can watch videos, if you can save it through a website, and you can pay points and redeem SP points, free gift card from over 200 brands. So you can use Amazon gift card or any other gift card, and you put the code in the Amazon website and you can get paid, guys. So thanks guys for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like and share. I will make videos on make money online, tutorials, motivation, case studies, more videos as to come. I will try to upload 1 video per day. If you like my videos, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release a video. If you don't like my videos, write me in the comment section how can I improve it. Thanks guys for watching videos. See you in the next one.